We have these plans to clear this hill right here that has a decently gentle slope to it. Clear this out and plant the lavender here. A lot of clearing has to be done, but that's what we're planning, and maybe it's too ambitious, maybe it's not. The clock is certainly ticking because the lavender plants will be here in just a few months. But we're gonna plug away. If this was the only project we had to do here at the Dusty Saddle, then we might be all right. But between jobs and church and scouts and just other family activities and other projects here at the farm, we're trying to work this in the best we can, but everything else can't come to a screeching halt to work on this, unfortunately. But we're going to get it done. We're going to give it our best shot. With the clearing out and cutting down comes doing something with what we've taken down. We certainly don't want to leave it here because we want things to look nice as well. So that's where we're at, but we hope we've picked out a good spot, but time will tell.